Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to make a salted chocolate caramel shake, and this is your meal replacement shake. I'm so excited about this one. We all love this one around here. And every week we post a new recipe video plus an additional video featuring the Herbalife Nutrition products that we're personally using, how we're using them, and why we're using them. Be sure to subscribe and tap that bell so you never miss a video when we get it posted. All right, so let's get this mixed up. What I have here is I have 11 ice cubes in my little blender. You can also use a full-size blender for this. You could also do this in a shaker cup without the ice. And now I'm going to fill this to the 10-ounce mark around the ice, like so. And now we're going to use our chocolate protein drink mix. The protein drink mix actually comes in 3 different flavors. We have the vanilla, which we use a lot. It goes with everything beautifully. And we also have chocolate, and we also have a peanut cookie flavor. So there's lots of things you could do with your PDM. Of course, this is how we customize your shake for you. So make sure you know what your personal protein number is for the day, so you use the right amount. Today I'm making this shake for Maurice, so I'm going to use 2 scoops of the protein drink mix. And the protein drink mix not only adds protein, it's not just a protein powder, it's actually loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that our bodies need to feel and function the best. So many times we eat things that fill up our belly, but then it leaves our body starving. And your Herbalife shake is definitely not going to do that. It really feeds and fuels your body literally on the cellular level. And we're also going to use 2 scoops of our dulce de leche. That gives it the caramel taste. 1, 2, and now we're going to use just some pink Himalayan sea salt, and I don't exactly know how much. I'm going to guess 1/8 of a teaspoon, but I put it in my hand about like so and put it in there. A little bit more because I love salt. Okay, now remember, the key to getting the texture you want is really comes down to time in the blender. The longer you leave it in there, the smoother and creamier it's going to be. These 2 flavors happen not to get very thick, so they're going to stay a little bit thinner no matter how long I blend them. So I used a little bit more ice than I maybe normally would have to thicken that up just a little bit. So we're going to blend this probably for, I don't know, 45 to 60 seconds. And here we go. So guys, that's all there is to it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and let us know. That helps us out way more than you know. Also subscribe. And let us know in the comments what you'd like to see in these videos. We check all the comments, so let us know what you'd like to see. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.